Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see what drives the market or how the price of any stock or indices moves. The answer is demand and supply, also known as support and resistance. In this video, we will see how to identify market trend, how to predict future direction of market, how price moves, different types of market trends and support and resistance. To analyze or identify market trend, we have to do analysis of market scenario. There are two types of analysis, fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis is used for assessing the values of stock and not to predict the price of stock. Fundamental analysis include financial analysis of financial statements, in effect of external influences, events like results and industrial trends. While technical analysis is used to actually predict the future price of securities like stock or indices by looking at past data, price movement, chart patterns, trends and trending volume. As we have discussed, technical analysis is based on past data. So based on past data, technical tools gives direction which are likely to be followed by the market. Friends, if we are able to predict the future direction of market, then definitely we can be successful trader. For that, first we have to achieve mastery in identifying and analyzing candlestick patterns, chart patterns and support and resistance zones. By achieving this, we will be able to predict the future direction and trade accordingly. To understand how price of any stock moves, we have to understand the relation between demand and supply. Demand and supply are inversely proportional to each other. When demand get increase, supply is going to get decrease and vice versa. So here, when demand is more than supply, price is supposed to get increase. And when supply is more than demand, then price is supposed to get decrease. This area where demand is greater than supply is also known as oversold area, and area where supply is greater than demand is also known as overbought area. So when price is at oversold stage or stock is at oversold stage, buyers comes into the picture and start to buy that particular stock. Hence, the price of that particular stock is going to, or price get increased. While in this area where supply is more than demand, or that area is also known as overbought area, here sellers comes into the picture and start to sell the stock, leading to decreasing the price of that particular stock. Here on the graph, you will be able to see oversold and overbought area and how price, or you can say the trend of that particular price is going to change. So as I said, here it is oversold area. So here buyers comes into the picture and start to buy that particular stocks as that particular price has been decreased. So from here the price is getting increased. At particular point, overbought zone comes and here buyers become seller or sellers comes into the picture and start to sell that particular stocks, leading to decrease the price of that particular stock. So here you can see again same thing. Price has been increased, again decreased. From overbought region, price has fallen down, and from oversold region, price has been increased. Price action between oversold region and overbought region is known as market trend. There are three types of market trends: uptrend, also known as bullish trend; downtrend, also known as bearish trend; and sideways market. So on the graph, we will try to identify trends. Here if you see, from oversold region to overbought region, this is the uptrend, followed by downtrend, again followed by uptrend, then little bit sideways movement we have observed here, continuing uptrend. From oversold region, from overbought region to oversold region, this is downtrend. Again this is downtrend. This is downtrend. We will see further data. So here you can able to see clearly this is uptrend. Here you can see little bit sideways movement is there. Market is neither going upward nor coming downward. This is sideways movement. Here also you can see market is in sideways movement. Here is uptrend followed by downtrend. Market is in continuous downtrend. Followed by next day also it is in downtrend. So if you see past data or in live market current data, if you able to identify current market trend, then it becomes easy to take entry in particular stock and to earn profit. Support and resistance is nothing but demand and supply zone. These can be identified on chart using or by drawing manual trend lines or by directly applying indicators. We will see this on the graph. When we draw trend lines, support and resistance look like this. We have to cover upper resistance and lower support. And when we use ready-made indicators, when we apply those indicators, the picture look like this. We will see this on the graph. On the graph, we will try to identify support and resistance zones. One more important thing about support and resistance zone is that it is not mandatory that support and resistance should always in horizontal direction. It can be in slanting direction also. For example, look here. While drawing resistance or support line, draw line in such a way that it should touch shadow or wick of candle and try to touch as many as candle possible, but ensure that that line should not pass through body of candle. It should only touch the wick or shadow of candle. So if you look here, this is the support line. So price has continuously bounced on that particular support. If you look over here, price has increased, again fallen. It has took support of this line. From this point, again price has been increased. Again over here, price has been taken support. Again from here, this point, support has been taken till here. Once that particular price broke this support, here if you see over here, first candle has come down that particular support or broke that support, and next candle has been closed below that candle. So here you can say downtrend has been started. So you can take entry over here. Either you can short sell, or you can buy put you can buy put in option. Like that you can identify trend and you can take the position. We will try to look for more support and resistance. Yeah, so here also we will be able to identify support and resistance both. So from this point we have took the support, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, almost 5 times price has tried to touch your support, touch that support. And for resistance also, if you are able to see clearly, price has reached up to that resistance level for 1 2 3 4 times. So this is the beauty of support and resistance. Price will move in that particular zone for certain period of time. If that support and resistance get breaks, then only we can take entry definitely and earn profit. So here you can see price has moved from support to resistance, and again from resistance to support. So in between this also we can able to take entry, but that is at further that is not at this earlier stage. We will learn that in upcoming videos. Right now we will focus only on support and resistance drawing or identifying mechanism. So just keep practicing by looking on past data. You will be able to identify support and resistance. And when you apply any indicator to identify support and resistance, like moving average, for example, here I will apply 20-day moving average. So here also that particular line of moving average acts as support and resistance. When price is above moving average, then moving average acts as support, and when price is below moving average line, then moving average acts as resistance. So here you are clearly able to see that we have drawn 20 moving average line, and price is above that line, that is price is above 20-day moving average. So here price is 20-day moving average is acting as support. So here if you are able to see, price is continuously going in upward direction, even though at certain point price has came down below 20-day moving average, but next candle has not been closed below previous candle. So price is again bounce back from that particular zone. So here 20-day moving average acts as support, and here if you are able to see, price has come down or price has broken that support of 20-day moving average, and next candle has closed below previous candle. So here you can say that downtrend is started and you can take entry over here. So you can just look at the data, previous data, and you will be able to see here 20-day moving average also act as support. Price is in continuous in upward direction. Here price is in downward direction, or you can say downtrend was going on. So as past data you will be studying, you will be getting more clarity, and by practicing definitely you will be able to identify support and resistance, and accordingly you can take entry in your trade. At support level, price of stock or security has been decreased and demand has been increased. So as price decreases, buyers comes into the picture, forming buying pressure. So at the support level, or support level is a price level where downtrend can be expected to pause due to concentration of demand or buying interest. So as buyers comes into the picture, downtrend is going to pause over here and price is supposed to bounce back. So you can able to see here price has been bounced back at the support level. Here also price has been bounced back. Here also price has been bounced back. Same is the case over here and here. While in the case of resistance, at the resistance level, price of security has been increased and demand has been decreased. So here you can see price has been increased over here. So at this point, sellers comes into the picture and sells that particular security, forming selling pressure. Because of selling pressure, price tries to fall back, and at resistance level price get paused and reverse direction. So this is all about support and resistance. As we have seen, because of support and resistance, price keeps moving in both the directions. Sometime it might be in uptrend, sometime it might be in downtrend, or sometime it might be in sideways direction. So at the end of this we can say that support and resistance is the fuel of price action, because of which price keeps on moving. One more important thing about support and resistance is that when price breaks resistance or support, for example over here when price has broke the resistance and confirms its uptrend, so this resistance has become its support, and same will be the case. For example, if over here price breaks the if price breaks the support and continues its downtrend, then this support will become resistance for current price. So friends, we have seen support, resistance, how market moves, how to identify trend, what are the types of trend. In this video we will see further about technical analysis in coming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment to this video. Also subscribe to my channel Steps to Profit, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notification on further videos.